Hi, I'm starting 21-day weight loss support meditation challenge which is free. So the challenge starts from 6th of October. You can eliminate cravings, reduce stress and lose weight in just 10 minutes or more than like 10 to 15 days a day. This meditation duration is not more than 15 minutes. So, weight loss is more about managing your stress and emotions than anything else because stress can create changes in the body that causes weight gain. So, meditation and visualization practices have the biggest impact on your total body and life transformation. Transformation and neuroscience supports the secret benefits of meditation. I hope you decide to join me. It starts from 6th of October. The link is given in description. I'll also show you how it goes, like once you click the link, how you can register. Here is the link. So you have to click the link. It opens on a browser, in a browser, and scroll down till the end. You'll get this sign up now or register now. You have to enter your email, then click. So then you'll get this uh, message success, and so you have to check your email. So it is not in inbox, so go to your spam and check there. So you find it in spam as important. Confirm your subscription. Click on that email, and you will get this uh, message. Thanks for signing up, and confirm your subscription in that blue square. You click on that, and you'll be yeah, success. You'll get subscription is confirmed. This is how you register to this free 21-day weight loss support meditation challenge. This is totally free. From October 6th, you will get meditation link in your email, and you can access that meditation link for 48 hours. And each day you will get meditation link for each day. 21 days you will get the link in your straight in your inbox. So I hope you will join this. Yes, and as it is free, it will really help you. And of course, you have to continue whatever diet or the exercise you are doing for your weight loss journey. This is just a support for you in your weight loss journey. These 21 days meditation are supporting you. Thank you.